Good morning, students. Probability 13th sum. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting first subdivision, a prime number, second subdivision, a number lying between 2 and 6, third subdivision, an odd number. It is given in the question a die is thrown once. So if a die is thrown once, what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are the number of possible outcomes? Total number of possible outcomes is equal to 1 to 6. So I am writing it as 6. First subdivision of your question, they are asking prime numbers. So what are all the prime numbers means? 1 is neither prime nor composite, so you should not take 1. What are the prime numbers? 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, and 5 is the prime number. So what are all the prime numbers I have written? 2, 3, 5. Again I am telling 1 is neither prime nor composite, so you should not write 1. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5. So number of favorable outcome is equal to 1, 2, 3 are there. So we are writing it as 3. Therefore, probability of prime number is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes. So 3 possible outcomes is 6 we have found. So 3 by 6, when I am simplifying, 1 by 2 is the answer. Second subdivision, a number lying between 2 and 6. So what are the numbers in between 2 and 6 means 3, 4, 5 are there. So second subdivision, a number lying between 2 and 6. What are the numbers means 3, 4, 5. So number of favorable outcome is equal to 1, 2, 3. So I am writing 3. Number lying between 2 and 6. Probability of number lying between 2 and 6 is equal to 3 is the number of favorable outcomes of same formula. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcome. So 3 is the favorable outcome. Possible outcome is 6. So when I am simplifying, 1 by 2 is the answer. Third subdivision, and odd numbers. So what are all the odd numbers means 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers for the when a die is thrown. So number of favorable outcome is equal to 1, 2, 3. So we are writing 3. Therefore, probability of getting odd number is equal to 3 by 6. When I am simplifying, 1 by 2 is the answer. 14th sum. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting first subdivision, a king of red color, second subdivision, a face card, third subdivision, a red face card, fourth subdivision, a jack of heart, fifth subdivision, a spade, sixth subdivision, the queen of diamonds. Before going into the sum, in the introduction part I have given what are the possibilities of getting the 52 cards. I have explained you. If you want, just I will explain and recollect you everything again. See, when the playing cards are there, in a pack we have 52 cards. Under that 52 cards, we have 4 subdivision, spade, club, diamond, heart in. These spade and club are black in color, diamond and heart in are red in color. In a pack we have all the sets 13 cards. Spade 13 cards are there, club 13 cards are there, diamond 13 cards are there, heart in 13 cards are there. So in each this 13 cards, what are the cards means number 2 to 10 will be there. So we will get 9 cards in this and 1 ace, 1 jack, 1 queen, 1 king will be there. So when I am taking 13 cards will be there. The same way for club, diamond and heart in we have. So face cards means what are the face card? King face, king is one of the face card. Queen is the another face card and jack is the another face card. In each and everything, 1 king, 1 king, 1 king are there. So in all the type, 4 kings are there. So 4 king card, 4 queen card and 4 jack card. So total number of a face card is 12. So using this concept only we are going to do that sum. 14th sum. So what is the answer? Solution. Total number of possible outcomes is equal to 52. That is what given in the card. It is given in the card 52 cards. One well shuffled pack consists of 52 cards. They are asking first subdivision, a king of red color. Red color we have two cards. One is diamond and one is 18. So king of red color means how many cards? Two cards are there. One is from diamond, another is from 18. If you have doubt, please refer that introduction page. Therefore, number of favorable outcome is equal to 2. What is the total number of possible outcome is 52. Therefore, probability of getting king of red color is 2 by 52. When I am simplifying, I will get 1 by 26. Second subdivision, a face card. How many face cards are there means 12. That is, you can write it directly also. Or here I have explained with the steps. What are the face card means 4 king face card and 4 queen and 4 jack. So when I am adding this, 12 face cards are there. Therefore, probability of getting face card is equal to same formula, number of favorable outcome divided by possible total number of possible outcomes. So 12 is the favorable outcome divided by the pack consists of 52 cards. When I am simplifying, I will get 3 by 13 is the answer. Third subdivision, a red face card. How many red face cards are there means 4 king card are there. Under that 2 king are black in color and 2 king card are red in color. So half of that we will get. So red color they have mentioned. So 2 king are red in color, 2 queen are red in color and 2 jack are red in color. So number of red face card is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Therefore, probability of getting red face card is equal to same formula, number of favorable outcome divided by number of possible outcomes. So 6 by 52. When I am solving, I will get 3 by 26. Fourth subdivision, jack of 18. How many jack cards are there? In particularly 18 it is given. There is only one jack card of 18. If you want, you refer the introduction page. Number of favorable outcome is equal to, here only one card, so I am writing it as 1. Therefore, probability of getting jack of 18 is equal to 1 by 52. That is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes. So 1 by 52 is the answer. And they are asking spade card. So how many spade are there means 13 spade cards are there in a pack. So number of favorable outcomes for the spade card is 13. So probability of getting the spade card is equal to 13 by 52. When I am simplifying, 1 by 4 is the answer. Sixth subdivision, queen of diamond. How many diamond queens are there means of queens we have only one diamond, like a jack also, only one diamond only in the brand of diamond in the queen. So, what is the favorable outcome here is 1. Therefore, probability of getting queen of diamond is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of possible outcomes. So, 1 by 52 is the answer. Thank you, children.